In this video, I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk on your laptop in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or another browser, the process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a minute or two. AnyDesk is a popular remote desktop app that lets you connect to another computer, offer support, or access your own device from anywhere. So if you want to get it installed the right way, stick with me until the end. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you already have on your laptop. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type the website you want to visit. Now type AnyDesk and press Enter. You'll see search results appear on the screen. From here, look carefully and open the official AnyDesk website. This step is important because you always want to make sure you're downloading software from the official source. That helps protect your device and ensures you get the latest, safest version of the app. So take a second to confirm you're on the real AnyDesk site before moving forward. Once the AnyDesk homepage loads, look for the Download Now button. This is usually displayed prominently on the page, so it should be easy to spot. Click Download Now, and the website will automatically detect your operating system. That means it should know whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or another supported system, and it will prepare the correct installer for your laptop. After you click the Download button, the installer file will begin downloading. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. You'll usually see the file downloading in the corner of your browser or in your Downloads area. Once it's done, you'll have the AnyDesk installer ready to open and set up on your laptop. And that's it. You've now downloaded AnyDesk on your laptop. From here, you can move on to installing it and signing in, or setting up your remote access. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.